Do you know how to schedule your videos in YouTube? Let me show you. So I've already uploaded a video into my channel and I'm editing the details, and you can see on the far right hand side corner, I've got the option visibility. I'm going to click on the drop down arrow and in a minute that's going to open. And you can see at the bottom of the list I've got schedule. I simply need to click on there. And it now says, when do you want to schedule? My videos are all published on a Tuesday. Let's just get the calendar back up. So it's a Tuesday and I publish them at 8:15 in the morning. It actually starts from midnight, so remember you're scrolling down. So 8:15. Choose the time and simply click done. Now when I finish typing all the other details in and I click save, at my selected date and time it will be published.